In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your BeeHiiv email sign-up share link. This is the special link you can share anywhere online so people can subscribe to your newsletter with just a click. Once you know where to find it, it becomes really easy to promote your list on social media, your website, or even in direct messages. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, open your browser and go to your BeeHiiv dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that's connected to the newsletter you want to promote. When you land on the dashboard, you'll see your main overview. Things like your subscriber count, recent posts, and analytics. This is the home base for managing your newsletter. From here, look for the section or menu item labeled Magic Links. Depending on your layout, this might be in the main navigation on the left-hand side or in a top menu. Go ahead and click on Magic Links. Magic links are BeeHiiv's way of giving you special URLs that can automatically handle actions like subscribing people to your list without making them jump through extra hoops. Once you're on the Magic Links page, you should see a list of links that BeeHiiv has generated for you, or at least one default link related to subscribing. The one we're interested in is your email sign-up share link. Next to that link, there will be an option that says Copy to Clipboard. Click on that. When you click Copy to Clipboard, BeeHiiv copies the entire sign-up link for you in the background. You won't see anything change on the page, but the link is now stored in your clipboard, ready to be pasted. To use it, simply go to wherever you want to share it. Maybe a social media post, a button on your website, or an email, and paste it there. On most devices, you can paste by right-clicking and choosing Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut, like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. That's all you need to do. Once it's pasted and shared, anyone who clicks that link will be taken straight to your sign-up flow, making it as easy